What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I pre-ordered this unit on February 9th on the launch day and had to wait for more than 30 days to get it. Samsung got 2 times the number of pre-orders compared to the previous models. Comment down below if you are still waiting for your S22 Ultra. It will probably come soon. So right here is the unboxing. There is not much really going on. The box is just small. Samsung is trying to reduce pollution. Inside the box is the charging cable and a quick start guide and the phone. That's about it. Nothing much. This right here is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. 512gb storage, 12 gigs of RAM, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, 6.8-inch screen. It's an awesome phone. It's got plenty of cameras on the back, looks great. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the remainder of the unboxing. If you're new here, subscribe for more videos like this. Turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out. We shall meet again in the next video. Peace out.